Hi everyone, welcome back to another pro tip with the IT Vibes blog. Today we're talking about video optimization tips for YouTube.
Video optimization is really important, Alana. Just like blogs or anything else, you want to optimize your YouTube videos so that they appear where you want them to be. It may seem like luck whenever you see a really popular video that ranks really high, but on the contrary, there's actually a really thought out plan that goes behind that.
So before you want to dive into your YouTube channel, Amanda, you want to put in like the content planning beforehand, think about the kind of topics that you're going to be talking about and what kind of audience you're going to be appealing to with those videos. So you're going to strategize and think about the kind of keywords that you'll be using with those videos as well, and how they'll help you to grow and move up in the YouTube world.
Yeah, just like blogs. Whenever, as digital marketers, we all know how important keywords and key phrases are for blogs and to be found by Google. But YouTube kind of works in the same way in that you need to use very carefully thought out key phrases for all of your YouTube videos.
Right.
You also want to find an image that's very appealing to your users, because typically people aren't going to click on a video, even if it's like the most interesting, greatest video. People aren't going to click on it if the icon is bland and boring. So you want to make sure you get a visually appealing icon for the image as well, for the video as well.
Right. So the pro tip from this blog that we wrote is check out other videos for YouTube SEO in the descriptions, titles, and thumbnails. You may find some keywords you never thought to use before. So basically, you know, take some inspiration from other channels and what they're doing and how they are ranking, because you don't know what kind of keywords they're using on how they are moving up.
Yeah, a lot of people think like that you shouldn't look at your competition for ideas, but there's actually nothing wrong with that.
Yeah. Especially from an SEO standpoint.
Yeah, and it's really important that you also use various platforms, various social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah, keep it all connected.
Even Google Posts, like you want to make sure that you use all of them together, because your audience is very vast and broad, so you should use different platforms to reach them and stay connected with them.
Right. Well, we hope that some of these tips helped you out a little with your YouTube channel, and wish you the best of luck. If you'd like more optimization tips for YouTube and branding tips, that kind of thing, go ahead and follow our blog in the link down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!